Here is how you can import contacts from the Excel to the iPhone. Let me guide you through it, and if you're new here, subscribe so you never miss anything important. Okay, so if I go to the Excel on my iPhone, you're going to notice that I have a file which contains the spreadsheet of first name, last name, company, phone number, and so on, right? So it is essentially a spreadsheet which contains all of my contacts. So what I can do with it is that I can click on share and just save it somewhere to my local storage, right? So I'm gonna go to the local storage. It should be able to be working like this. So I'm gonna click on send a copy, and essentially I just want to have that file somewhere on my phone. So I'm going to save it into the Files app, right? Just make sure I know where it is. So I'm going to go to my local storage like this, and let's say that I'm going to put it into the Chrome folder just so I can find it easily. Right now that we have it inside of the files inside of the Chrome folder, you can see I have the contacts in Excel format. And once you have the file in your files saved somewhere in the Excel, you can use an app like this, which is called Contacts Converter. You can see XLSX and VCF. I'm going to link to that app below in the comments, but you need to get this application, and basically from these options you can choose to import contacts from Excel, and you can pick it like this, right? It's going to give you the pop-up that you should make sure that it's set up properly, but it should be that the first column is the name of the person, right? So you can click on OK, choose the files. As you can see in the Chrome folder, we have the file which contains all of the people, right? Everything is right there. These are obviously just a sample contacts, so none of that really exists, but you can click on import. You can see that inside of this app it kind of gets limited, so you only have like 3 imports, but I'm gonna click on continue and OK, right? I'm gonna allow it access to my contacts, click on continue again, and now I'm gonna share that, and the import should be successfully done. So if you go to the calendars right there, you should be able to see them as such, right? So every single one of them is in here twice because I just imported all of them into my phone. So I hope it helps. Let me know your thoughts and opinions about it below. Let me know if it worked for you. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll talk to you later in the future uploads.